Fish Armor, if you didn't know what Fish Armor had previously, is they were known as having one of the most robust heavy-duty shuttles for primarily people that use live imaging. So here's a picture of some of their shuttles that they have. So this is Fish Armor. They're very heavy-duty metal shuttles. They're also very heavy shuttles. This is what they had previously. They flap open so you can see the screen again. Really focused on the people that have Livescope, active target. They just announced the all-new Fish Armor Pro Extreme coming soon. A shuttle, which is great that it's not 3D printed, getting a lot of the same type of treatment, if you will, in terms of styling from their previous version. You can see it looks similar if you had that side pocket on it. Well, it does, so you can put that in there. You can have your pole strapped around there. So this is one of the new ones they came out with, the Fish Armor Pro Extreme, available really soon. And then this is their other new one. It's called the Fish Armor Pro Lite, available very soon. And this is what they say about it. The Pro Lite model retails for $189.95, which is very competitive in the market right now. Kind of the the low end entry point for a quality non 3D printed shuttle is right around $150 right now. Shuttle has integrated feet on the bottom, which allow easy attachment to their docking plate. And the docking plate is $130. It will be available for order in about a week. You've got Fish Armor sticker on the side. You've got USB charging ports right here. You've got 4 switches that are on there for, I guess, any accessories you want to throw on there, anything like that. And then you've got an SAE charging port there. It reminds me of the Gens box, if you will, the Gens shuttle of forward-facing sonar, I guess you could call it. However, if you are a forward-facing sonar user, check out the video I posted probably 2 or 3 months ago on the channel, the lightest Livescope setup that I've seen anybody have. I built it on a Gens box, believe it or not. So I think that I will still take the cake. I think my solution was still lighter than this. So anyway, so that's this guy right here. Here's the back of it. So you can see if you have a black box, you can go ahead and throw it on the back there. Nice mounting plate. You've got an LED light on the side, which is really nice to have. Your wires and cords kind of go up and they wrap right around that handle. This is actually really well done. Really nice design that they have here. So I don't know what their dock looks like, but from my understanding, it is not like the Larmac 360 dock. It's going to be a fixed dock, but that's going to be great because then you can still put it on something that you want to permanently fix it on, an ATV, a snowmobile, if you want to kind of put it up front. If you want to put it on your boat, you can then use it open water as well. And the nice thing about these shuttles is they're not just for people that use forward-facing sonar. You can mount any screen to it with any transducer. So if you're looking for a different solution with kind of the battery box type accessories built into it, this could be a good solution for you.